Yes, welcome to the 50th episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene. 50 times entertainment, information and fun. My production team and I, we want to thank you for tuning in every week and keep the show alive. In today's show, we want to talk about the new build and how to get your wheels straight on your model car. But first, as always, the riddle! What year did the 429 motor come out? 1968, 1978 or 1988? The answer is always the end of the show. This time we're gonna send you in the far future, in the year 2063. The mankind is fighting for its survival and it's in war with some mutants. So be ready, see for yourself. First thing that we do when we get those cars in the shop, we strip them down. Next thing, have a good plan. So we start first with building the Gatling gun. But that's all for now. Back in the studio. In the tip laboratory, we figured a way out to get you wheels straight on your car. So let's go down to the tip laboratory and see how it's gonna work in the tip laboratory. This week in the laboratory, tip laboratory, I want to talk about how to get your car, when it's done, that all wheels really on the floor and doesn't tip or something like this, that all the wheels are straight, and how you achieve that, and how you easily build that for yourself. What I use for it is that thing here. I put my car on it. I have the grid. Then I have those little fellas, they are magnetic to keep the car in place. And then I have those four, which have a 90-degree angle, and now I can adjust my wheels, and they are in the right angle, like this way and this way. So this is very helpful, and it's very easy to make. All that I did is I bought me some 1/2-inch wood, piece of wood, drilled little holes in, and put some of those tiny magnets in, so they stick on it. The same thing with those. There are 2 magnets in, and I bought a metal sheet, made a grid on it, and after I made the grid on it, I sealed it with clear coat, and only glued that on a sheet of wood board, and that's pretty much it, and this is even, and you get your car always, all 4 wheels touch the ground, and they have the right angle and everything. And yeah, go ahead, make that for yourself. It's a nice weekend project. It's easy to do, and yep, that's the tip of this week. Our actual build is based on the Boss 429. The 429 motor from Ford was introduced in the Lincoln Continental 460 and in the Thunderbird. But in which year? The answer in the riddle. So, my YouTubians, before we end our little show, I'd like to mention that 2 builders already finished their Frankenstein Group build. And they turned out awesome! I have the link down below in the description. Please check out their channels. It's fantastic. It's really, I love that whole group build thing. So links down below in the description. Please, if you finished your group build and I by mistake overlooked it, please let something in the comments that you finished your group build as well. So I will give you a big shout out. Thanks for joining the group build. But now, Elise, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. Bye. Tip laboratory. We will see this work this week.
This week?
This work. We will see this work. Or maybe don't work. Oh no.
But you're a profi.
I'm a pro.